welcome to Happy Hour TV 1. Today I'm going to show you how to use and make a compost. So first of all you'll need the box, obviously. You'll need a pickaxe. You'll also need a shovel, obviously, that's very important. The pair of gloves and a plastic sheet. Alright. So that's it for today, guys. We've dug about 60 centimeters, something like that, and we've put some water to let it to rest and, well, basically come back to it tomorrow. So yeah, that's it for today, and I just wanted to thank the lads who helped me to, well, do all of this. And yeah, hope to see you soon. And the next episode is going to be brought to you by Daniel Floyd himself. So, all right, bye-bye.
For going back to the operations, we are in the winter, and fortunately I'm wearing the best coat in the world, so no issue about the temperature. Nevertheless, it's also interesting for you because you will see that the earth is behaving differently. And we also discovered, by the way, that finally the tools indicated at the beginning will not be sufficient, especially for reaching the very bottom of the objective. Here, for the manipulation of the shovel, super important, you need gloves. And these are gloves I'm inaugurating. And these are the gloves that you have seen in return from the flea market 3. Finally, digging the hole was a quite technical operation itself. This is why I made a separate video. Of course, I invite you to join this one as well. So here I will just put a couple of extracts so that you have a little idea. Of course, in music. So the difficulty now is that we are going more into depth. So the shovel is not very accessible, pickaxe is too short. So we'll find some other means. Let's go. $80 centimeters, so still 20 centimeters to do. So we're good now. Now I'm adding up a little bit of rocks. It will facilitate the drainage, even though it was not recognized in the box, but I'm still doing it. So for putting back the earth, for having the right diameter, I'm using an old bucket. So we are securing everything what is around, and we know that this is the diameter. So it's very easy. We're going to use the earth that we've just removed for filling the space. So I took some earth from elsewhere. Now let's make sure that it's as straight as possible. Now I'm just making sure that it's all well fitting. So now we're done, everything is ready. Now we're waiting 1 week so that the earth is really getting to the ground, and then we'll be emptying up the compost and removing the buckets below. So for making it short, we have to put the compost poo at the level of the ground. So the plastic bag is also very useful for protecting your knees when you're working on such type of work. Here my last bucket is a bit blocked. So this is too hard to remove, so we will sacrifice the bucket. So here we are, the compost is placed. You have here the opening, and inside there were these tablets for adding up when we are putting the poo inside. That's it, my friends. This operation is now finished. I hope that it will help you reducing your waste. This year is not so much with volumes, but definitely it's already something. I can now invite you to have a look at other practical videos about the dogs on the playlist Useful Tips for Dogs. And otherwise, I see you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.